Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlineJobs.PH, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you block someone on OnlineJobs.PH? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to block someone on OnlineJobs.PH anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you put a job post up and you got a lot of applicants, and one of the applicants decided to go ahead and take your email and FaceTime video you and message you through iMessage repeatedly. So you'd want to go ahead and just block them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Online Jobs account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to block someone on OnlineJobs.PH, first you need to find their message. So let me jump over to my messages right here. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the messages that you have with OnlineJobs.PH. So you just want to scroll through until you find the person you want to block. Once you've done that, go ahead and just click on their image. So I'm going to go ahead and block this person right here. Okay, so once you've clicked into their name, in order to block them, what you're going to do is go ahead and click on spam here on the right. However, before you do that, you might want to go ahead and leave them a review before you block them on OnlineJobs.PH if it's going to be relevant. If you're going to leave them a review, just click on their picture once again. All right, once you click there, you're going to see their profile, and just scroll down until you see employer reviews, and you can click on leave a review. So once you're ready to go ahead and block them, go ahead and go back to the message. Okay, so once you're in here, you want to go ahead and click on spam, like I said. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this pop-up from OnlineJobs.PH asking if you're sure you want to go ahead and block this person because all future messages will be blocked. If so, go ahead and click on OK. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now this person has been blocked from OnlineJobs.PH, so they will not be able to message me through this platform anymore. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to block someone on OnlineJobs.PH, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.